Hello and welcome to the daily Forex report for November 10th. We're looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This pair closed lower. Let me zoom in a little bit. There we go. This pair closed lower today, still moving sideways overall with a slight bias to the downside. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 78.21, possibly as low as 77.16. Look for some resistance around 7800 or 7800, and look for some support around 77.50. Now looking at the Euro USD pair, this pair closed up for this last session, did make a new low. Overall this pair should be moving down, especially when you consider all of the news. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 137.71, possibly as low as 133.83. Look for some resistance around 136.50, and look for some support around 134.75. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair closed up, did basically test, broke through, but tested previous support, pulled higher. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 160.52, possibly as low as 157.88. Look for some resistance around 6,000, and look for some support around 158.50. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed down, did make a new high, however, before moving lower, moving to the upside overall. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9231, possibly as low as 0.8924. Look for some resistance around 0.9150, and look for some support around 0.9015. Alright, now as far as news announcements go, we do have a couple of news announcements for tomorrow. We have the Chinese releasing their new loans for October. Consensus on that is that it has moved from 470 billion up to 500 billion. We also have the University of Michigan's confidence report for November being released at 9:55 a.m. Eastern Time for the U.S. Consensus on that is that it's moved higher from 60.9 to 61.5, which of course would be good news for the U.S. dollar. Due to all the euro stuff, as far as trade, I'm looking for, not really looking for a specific trade, so to speak. Definitely looking for the U.S. Swiss to be moving slightly higher, but overall the Euro USD to be moving strong to the downside. So look for that to occur. If we back out a little ways, you can see we had somewhat of a head and shoulders type action here, and it has broken to the downside through the neck. I do believe we will see it push lower and move on down to around the 131.96 area, potentially even lower. Look for it to take out today's session's low for a short if you're not already looking for this pair to go short. If you're not already short, look for that to occur. I hope that helps, and until next time, it's Jason Fielder. Good trading.